Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hi, ICT. ICT in the chat. Oh my lord. Hello. What is your bias, you guys? Answer in the chat. I'm interested. Polls in the chat. Yeah. Here we are. Yesterday we were bullish. And yesterday afternoon I was bullish, but we got stopped out break even there into the close. Overnight during London looks like we made a low. And we're really close to that Monday high now. So, all in all, still holding up, right? Good morning, say it back. Good morning. That's what I tweeted. Good morning, Adi. So it looks bullish. Yeah, that's what I think as well. We don't have any red folder news today. ICT says he's neutral for now until OR completes. Till the opening range gap completes. Oh. I'm in the holiday spirit, you guys. Woo! December 2nd. Anybody buy things for their family for Cyber Monday? Or Black Friday? Alrighty. Let's see here. Yeah, so weekly open I had marked out for ES and NASDAQ. I marked that out. What's very interesting yesterday was when NASDAQ got to that weekly open, that's where it got to its first roadblock yesterday during the afternoon. Right. You like my sweatshirt? Thank you. I like it too. USA, 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 let's go. Proud to be an American. Yeah, I like the sweater. It's sweater weather. You know, I changed out all my winter clothes. My summer clothes are out now. My winter clothes are in. Okay. So, people, what are we doing? You like my hair? Thank you. Vote in the chat whether you're bearish, bullish, or neutral. Most of the chat has already voted bullish. Very interesting here. All right. I'm overall bullish for the market, but I think that we can be consolidating the next few days because that's just a healthy thing for it to do. All right. So I'm bullish bias as well, but we're in a bit of a premium at the moment. Morning. Someone wants me to do a dance if I win. I don't know what that kind of dance is. Donal? The Donald dance, you mean? Oh. All right, so yesterday we had that inversion. Certainly a deep retracement there, but held that position in the morning. Got to weekly open, little roadblock, retraced again overnight during London, and now we're back over previous day high. Right? Oh no, this is previous day high up here, all the way up here, so never mind. Okay. Yeah, I don't really... I'm bullish, but I don't see how I could get in right now. So I'd rather wait and see, maybe some sell side gets taken, even if it's some pre-market low. Got about a minute till the open. Vote whether you're bullish, bearish, or neutral. We'll close the poll in about 30 seconds. Kenya in the house. Hi, Kenya. All right, closing the poll. 66% bullish. 19 bear, and 15 neutral. All right, here's the open. We don't have any high impact news today. Something to note. Probably wouldn't want, like, the best scenario would be if 10 a.m. goes below previous hourly low or previous 4-hour low into this FEG. If this creates one, right? There's still 30 minutes left, and then go for more highs. But so far we had London expansion to the upside. I'm looking for like that, basically. Yeah, everybody got to focus. Fed speaker at 10. Really? Thought that they have a blackout period now, but so they can talk, but they can't talk specifically about rates. Yeah, Fed speaker at 10, but they can't talk specifically. Let me check. Fed blackout period. Yeah. So Fed blackout period until the 10th, because right now they shouldn't be really saying anything that's talking about like rates or influencing the market. They have their meeting on the 9th and the 10th. So I'm not really going to put too much emphasis on that one. All right, so yesterday we closed here. This huge, we have a gap up. I think it would be healthy to fill half the gap, at least. It'd be nice, but it's where the pre-market low is. This is the close, this is the open for ES. Pretty big push up there on the NASDAQ. ES didn't take out that pre-market high. NASDAQ just did. Might be, a little choppy morning. That might be an SMT for some shorts to go back down to here. We'll see. Kind of 50-50. We took out some lows here into this 5-minute fair value gap. ES is here. ES still remaining a bit heavy there. NASDAQ It's still holding above pre-market high. It's not like that's creating a swing high here yet. Very interesting. I'll have an alert if ES ends up coming back over here. Oh, Nasdaq's running. Will it get that to that buy side, people? Will it? Previous day high. Just did. All right. All right. First buy side hit for Nasdaq. No more SMT there. ES is taking that out. It just took out some really like 5-minute lows. Quite strong. Quite strong. Didn't pause at pre-market highs, didn't pause at buy side. Previous day high. Nasdaq just ripped 55 points past that buy side. I can't imagine how many people had their stops there. $66% bullish. I mean, people, that was a strong bullish open. Okay. Let's see for ES here. Too bad. I wanted it to take out this low first. No entry for me here. I'm fine with that. I don't feel any FOMO. Kind of crazy how those 1-minute candles were forming. Your first presented fair value gap isn't until here. All right. GG's to the bulls, honestly, at the moment. Some said this could end up being a Judas. It could. But it said TP for Jade Cap's trade yesterday. I think he is also aiming for like the 800s. NQPV stay high from another day, from a previous day. This was the Monday high from Asia. Yeah, we could get up to this buy side if we're clean about it. Seems like we have been. How much have we moved today so far? 290 points. $445 is the ATR. The last 5 days. And ES 85. Yes, just about at its weekly open. Really close to it. Still hasn't hit that previous daily high. See what NASDAQ does. It's had some smaller candles here now. Right, we barely tapped into this gap up. I don't even think that we tapped into 50% of it. No, I mean 25% is what I mean. Yeah, no. Very strong there. And then it went for all that buy side, pre-market high and buy side. We're going to stay high, right, one after another for the NASDAQ. Apple's at all-time highs. Let's see. Apple was the strongest one while the market was pulling back last week. Remember I kept saying that? Makes sense, it's at all-time highs. It would be like up 0.5% when everything else is down 2%. Nvidia's up 2.7%. Everything else is kind of flat. Pretty great. Google's up 1%. Nothing else is either. Wow. What's this app? Up 7. Okay. You just gotta focus. I'm still bullish bias. We still have more buy side left. It's just a matter of finding a good entry. Yes, pulling back, certainly. Someone said we need ICT therapy. What? What you talking about? Sorry, I had a cough. We are back. So, NASDAQ definitely really strong. It reminds me of yesterday. See this hourly. Yeah, never tapped into it. 4 hour remaining. Good, we're about to invert this 4 hour. It still looks really bullish, you guys. We have stacked buy sides here. We have this next 4 hour buy side here. Hmm. 10 a.m. Yeah, the next 4 hour hasn't opened yet. Yeah, it's definitely weaker, but I feel as though it just needs to catch up. Maybe it'll give us a good SMT to work with. So I feel as though. Look at all my pretty colors. Wow. I don't need this anymore. Just stopped, tapped a weekly open, retraced a bit. NASDAQ hanging around after just demolishing previous day high. Stand up next to you. It'd be good if ES takes out pre-market low. Yeah, I'm gonna put an alert here. Okay, so first 15 minute of the day, candle completed, very strong to the upside. ES not so much, right? So maybe that's basically what I think. Maybe they'll get an SMT, preferably at this low. And then maybe at that time we retrace to here, the first presented FEG. See what's good. Still bullish. What do you guys think? Are you guys still bullish? 66% of the chat said they're bullish. Definitely a slowdown. We've done not much over the past 12 minutes. Not much at all. God bless the USA. Someone said the 5-minute first present FEG has been tapped. Yeah, that's a good point, but I don't know. It's like in a premium of a premium. I think we could retrace more considering ES is this dingy. Sorry, Ron. I didn't even realize I was singing something. God bless the USA. It's a good song. good song to sing when like markets are bullish. Don't bet against America. So instead of slow AF, yeah, it's been 10 minutes. I think it's 15 minutes. But that's a good thing, though. Now we're creating a nice 15-minute FEG. Maybe it will even stay open, how bullish it is. It's 8 minutes into it, this guy. I'm still waiting. ES is asleep. You know, at least you can take out the 930 low, buddy. The least you could do. Zane says he accidentally went long in ES with 5 contracts, 5 ticks, and you were up $500 and you got scared and got out. Any advice to be more confident? I don't think that's a confidence issue. I think it's a sizing issue. That's why you freaked out. And it says it was an accident. Need more context to that one. I think you should always double check. That's happened to me before. I wanted to go in like 5 micros and then it took 5 minis. Oof. Best thing to do is just cancel it right away. Take whatever, if it's a loss or win, eat that right away. Like, you can't be hoping, because then that's really when the market just starts to move away from you. Every time that type of thing will happen. All right, ES took out that 930 low. NASDAQ is retracing a little bit. We're about to have 10 o'clock hourly open soon, so the new 4-hour. Yeah, I would want us to stay above this guy by 10, ideally. This area. 4-hour inversion. And ES maybe take out this low. Trump speaks at 2 p.m. All right, we got time until that. I don't think that we'll consolidate until 2 p.m. It's still 4 hours until then. Probably some people short here if they're considering. But actually, this did not take out new high of day. Never mind. Never mind. Nope. I'm just thinking if this took out the new high of day. I'm not taking any shorts. I'm bullish today. It's actually good to have somewhat equal highs here being built up for NASDAQ for later. Let me see the heat map. Sure. This is the NASDAQ. Mm-hmm. NASDAQ and S&P 500. Basically, NVIDIA is the one that's strongest today. In ES, you know, they have energy down, health slightly down, consumer non-beauty. Yeah, you see all this red here. The NASDAQ for the big 5 or 6 are either slightly up or very green like NVIDIA. All right, we'll have 10 a.m. very soon. We have an SMT with NASDAQ finally at that low. Now ES is picking up. I think we could get to that buy side. Where's the 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. is about to open. I'm glad that we inverted this on NASDAQ. NASDAQ hasn't taken out a high yet. Looks like it is preparing to, though. But it could still retrace a bit more. Or yes, could decide to retrace to here. We'll mark out this here. It's an inversion on ES, and this is essentially a breaker, fair value gap, and inversion here on ES. Okay, we are 10 a.m. just started. We're getting there. Looks good. boom. From when I mentioned that, 10 points in ES. Nice. Back above weekly open. Now we want to see more strength until this buy side, essentially. Holding that new high of day pretty well for ES in the weekly open. I would think that this low should hold on ES and this low for NASDAQ. You have a 2-minute here for NASDAQ as well. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I like this trade. Where's my phone? Oh, here it is. Nasdaq's really, really strong. I wouldn't fade it. I said there's more buy side above. Hit pre-market high, then previous day high, held really well, hit new high of day while SMT with ES. So it's the thought behind that trade, thought process behind it. See some spooling going on, that would be perfect. Could also just consolidate like it did for 10 minutes here, you know, but looks good. Pretty much no drawdown at the moment. Okay, we're getting some retracement now. Totally fine. They never want to spool for me. It's in the lower FEG that broke that high. Looks good. Would it be best if we actually get some power now up back to the upside? All right, that retracement was pretty slow. I mean, and good. So, wasn't that long. How come I'm so calm? You're so calm when you take so many trades, dude. Am I in the trade? Do you think, like, well, it's up to you to decide whether I'm in the trade or not? What do you think I am? I literally have everything I talked about, everything, the whole setup, just for me to not take it. Makes no sense. You guys just want to see the exact thing so you could copy trade when you do that. I don't know. Anybody that understands what I'm talking about knows that I'm into trade. Damn, why is she so sensitive? I'm not sensitive. Sounds like you're the sensitive one. Did I already roll my contracts? You should check whether the volume. No, I didn't roll mine yet. I don't think the volumes in the new contract is not higher yet. Probably not even close. I'll check for you. Yeah, not even close. There's like zero volume in the March. Look, volume in December 168,000, March 979. ICT talked about me. It's a pleasure to see me in action. Thank you. Tell you how to work in trading psychology, FOMO, and calmness regarding trade, like not being impatient. Think like if you just make some rule sets. Let me just read the question again. Tanya, how to work in trading psychology, FOMO, and calmness regarding trade, like not being impatient. You need to just make some rules for yourself. Think, okay, just 2 trades per session, and that's it. So then make sure that you're in the quality trade, something that you planned ahead of time. Looks like ES is near the new high day, which is good. Yeah. So then once you build trust in yourself, then you have more confidence in yourself. As long as you keep following your rules and you build that discipline, you build up that habit over time, then you have more confidence in yourself, and then you're going to have an easier time trading. And that's just experience. And it truly is just the more screen time you have, and the more back testing you do, and the more trades you actually take live, not on a sim account, on a live account, and you feel that back and forth, and you can get a sense of how long you can be in a trade at break even or so, and then you let it give it the time that it needs. The market doesn't move straight up or straight down. Would you agree that you cannot eliminate emotions from trading? No, I think you could. Like, think about it. If you just took a $10 trade, let's say you literally risk $10 on a trade, or something that's like so small you don't care. You wouldn't feel emotions during that trade, would you? Right? You have to literally just work it so that you're used to your trading risk and make sure it's a risk that you can accept. So you can't remove emotions, you can control them. You have to manage them, you don't have to control them. $40 minutes still left in this candle. Oh, thanks, Jara the trader. Seeing how I handle myself has been a great addition to your arsenal. That's good. Yeah, I mean, everybody has a bad day. Every trader can have a bad day. There's no such thing as smooth sailing, like forever. You can't be on your A game every single day. It's just it's just not possible. Even the best athletes in the world, they're not on their A game every day. I don't really mind this. Is building up some more liquidity up here. I'm just glad that ES didn't take the new high day yet, so that there's no like weird SMT at a high. Someone said as soon as she said no drawdown, I instantly went to your stop loss after being up 45 points. I aren't even up 45 points there. I feel like putting such a tight stop loss is wild. That's how it goes. Sorry, I jinxed it. I've told you, market never wants to spool exactly. Very rarely. I can hope so, though. I can hope so. I did have zero drawdown for a minute there, for 5 minutes there. Now I'm in slight drawdown. Market doesn't move straight up. Doesn't matter. People keep asking if I'm in a trade. I mean, obviously, I am in the trade. I'm in longs. I said I've been bullish, and I'm still want more upside. We have an SMT at that low of day with ES. I think that should hold for ES, and this should hold for NASDAQ. And I think we should see this buy side and even more buy side. If it does end up stopping me out, whatever. Then it just means it's not the time, but I think it's a good time. It's 10:22. It's New York AM session. You haven't hit the full ATR. You're still bullish, very bullish. It's been holding up. It's just been consolidating like it did here. Like, how long did it consolidate here before the move up? 20 minutes. So I'm okay with this. Back break even. Now it'd be nice. I mean, it would be nice to finally move to the upside after consolidating for so long. Let's go to the upside. Let's go to the upside. It wants to break out so bad, I know, right? Let's see it happen. I mean, we know that 66% of the chat is bullish. We held all these levels. It'd be nice if we get a clean 1, 2, 3 leg up. Gave everyone time to get in. All right. Oh boy, the amount of freaking back and forth this has gone through. It's insane. See NVIDIA. What are we doing? What are we doing? Apple's still really strong. Nvidia's been consolidating. Microsoft strong. Didn't want to break out yet. Yes, it's that low, then I'd be disappointed. Again, 0.5 hour drawdown. Like last line in the sand for ES is here. Oh my gosh, are we gonna hit it? ES hit that new low. Nasdaq didn't hit it yet, but probably will. It was just starting to look good too. Ain't that the way it goes? The literally last line in the sand is if like a miracle happens, and that's another SMT, but I wouldn't hold my breath on it. Oh man, stopped out. Disappointing. Oh well. Yes, hit the pre-market low. We really wouldn't re-enter unless we saw like a fast push up, back up, and an inversion. Nope. Chat, whoever was, I mean, mad people in the chat were looking for that breakout here. You jinxed it. Yeah, I really wouldn't get in again unless there was a strong push up here, and we're not getting anything. I do not want to short. I don't really see a reason to short still. We have smooth equal highs above us. Yeah, I mean, I pretty much gave it so much room there to breathe. Can't say much there. Like, it was just a drop. Was there any sort of news? There was such a big drop there, just suddenly. 40-point drop. Hey, check Twitter. My news sources. No, I don't see really anything. No. Okay. We're back all the way down into that 4-hour inversion at the moment. Back all the way into the first presented FEG. Yes, took pre-market lows. We're not really getting any sort of bid yet. BTC is back over 90K, is it? Yeah, just hit 90K again. And that's fine. ES is retracting. I'm still bullish. The thing is, we're not getting any more. We'll see if ES decides to reverse from here or not. Yeah, I think the only way I'd get in again is if we inverted this back to the upside. And then I put a low, stop at a low here. But at the moment, we're just really weak. ES filled up half its gap up. Disappointing we didn't get like a clean final leg up. That's fine though. See this heat map. It's looking sad. This is wild. All we've gotten today is like 5 minutes of, it's like 5 minutes of one leg and then 20 minutes of nothing consolidation, 5 minutes of another leg, and this was like another 20 minutes, and 5 minutes again, and then nothing. I don't know. Feels slower than usual. This is starting to look better. Let's see if it has any more juice to the upside. This is starting to look good. I'm re-entering. Okay. I just re-entered. The thing is, it is going to end up inverting this on the 5. It's probably going to run away more. I like that it closed above this bearish FEG that basically took that liquidity that was like a huge, right? Like what? Right? It completely reversed that. Finally getting some momentum. And we'll see if it, once it hits this, you know, we want to see more. Hopefully it's not just a whack consolidation. ES just had to come all the way back down, take pre-market low. Wild. Yeah, ideally this now inverts on the 5 in the next 30 seconds so that it doesn't come back down too much. Okay, looks good. All right, ES looking good. Really nice ES to hit previous day high. We never even hit that yet. NASDAQ came back into the first presented, and I do like that it bounced off a previous day high. So some confluences there, and ES took that pre-market low. Just needed to take one more sell side, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I could still be wrong, but sense it is looking good. Bruh. Okay, basically, I'm okay if it's holding up pretty high, and that's pretty good. I'm not gonna get too worried. I'm just thinking about it could, like, so many times I sometimes would miss this trade because it just doesn't retrace into here, and it literally hasn't retraced even a little bit yet, so it looks strong. 3 minutes of just consolidation, small candles, maybe big candles now. Nice. ES new high day. Looks good. See NASDAQ follow suit. Don't really want to see another divergence. Looks good. Looks like it's gonna run away. Come on, people. Get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. I really want you guys to hold. Hold this. Can we just hold and then go higher? That'd be perfect. That would be perfect. Looks good, people. Let's go. New Hive Day. Let's go. Woo, we got back in. All right, let's see. Will it take us to that motherland 4-hour buy side? $15-minute looks good. My stop's at break even now. I don't want it to retrace anymore. I'm just looking at how this 15-minute, right? We retraced, now this one's expanding. You hit that new high. I was like, come on, Tanya, your turn is coming. We'll see. Yeah, don't give up. We'll see. I do like, looks like the big tech companies are turning around. NVIDIA's back above 5-minute swing high. Amazon's popping up. Someone said they did the paintbrush. Yeah, everybody draw the paintbrush on their screen right now. Don't get too euphoric though. I like that ES held this, remember? I said I wanted it to hold, it did. My stop is break even now. And this is the leg that took out the high. This is an order block. Could retrace into some of these FEGs, but I don't want it to retrace below here. I want this 15-minute to have a strong close above this previous high. And ES still hasn't hit previous day high either. I anticipate that to happen soon. Someone said the dollar is trapping for lunch. Oh, yeah. That's an interesting, very interesting comment. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until 11:10. We can get one more spool out, maybe. I mean, I think ES is good. Retrace this 2-minute. See, now as I get back above high of day, will be good. It's 15-minute. Let's close. 4 minutes left. Be good to close above this line, right? Previous high of day. In the next 4 minutes. Let's go ES. We're just getting more small candles. Maybe more large ones are coming soon to the upside. I do like that they've stayed within a small range. This entire thing's a bullish breaker. So I feel pretty comfortable actually. Yeah, having my stop down here. If it came all the way back down here, it'd be below 50% of that bullish breaker. That's fine by me. If it digs into it a little bit, that's fine also. Gotta be patient while in profit too. All right, let's see how this 15-minute closes. It'll be 11 at that time. It's digging into the breaker. All right, ideally that's it. And now 1 more minute until this 15 closes. All right, well, I just got whacked out at break even there. What the hell was that? Didn't even give me a second to take that out. What the fuck? Okay, well. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done there. That was a whack-ass candle. I'm done there. I'm still overall bullish, but I'm not going to be like I said, I don't want to hold if this retraces, has so much retracement it could do. Or I'd rather get a better entry if it does retrace all the way within here. It's after 11 now. Oh well, okay. Holy shit, bro. That just makes me want to re-enter. That wick. Hmm. That was such a fake out. Damn, I've just re-entered like just now, and I'm gonna put my stop at that low, the 11 a.m., 11 p.m. low. And then truly, if it actually goes back down again, then I'm at peace with this. But I feel well rested. I remember last week when I actually got, I canceled it because it was just it did the same exact thing here. I didn't re-enter because I just wasn't feeling good, but now I feel better. So completely filled this in. Crazy wick. Nice bullish engulfing candle took out the previous one. So I'm willing to just let this go till what, 11:10. I think ES could hit previous day high by 11:10 then. And then maybe that will give a little spool. That was wild. I feel like some big player probably must have put some orders in or something. It just felt like such a fake out. I don't know. What do you guys think? Third time's a charm? Well, ES is really close to that previous day high now. Meh. I hate that pullback. It hates me. Jesus. It really hates me today. I don't know. Maybe my mindset's fucked up today, but I don't know. Whatever. I don't know. I don't know. Yesterday was a good day for longs. Today, much sloppier. Much sloppier. Sucked me back in there with that wick. First saw this. I should have canceled it. But whatever. I should have gotten out here. Bro, I can't deal with this. What's up? Track start. Do I use the RSI? It has be high. It has been high. It has be high won the 1 minute. I don't know what that is. I don't know. You have to rewrite that. Track star. Order floor is bearish for the week. Well, we have 2 updates so far. I think I started out this morning saying I need to have good entries and such. I just think I could have managed the second trade better and just been okay with taking the break even here. Other than that, I'm pretty happy. I'm fine with this one. There's an SMT here. No, this one's it's just tragic. We're not moving that cleanly. So yeah, let him bring it lower. I don't care. ES is the messiest. Kind of not happy. I lost what I made yesterday. The RSI has been high on the 1 minute chart. I don't use RSI, but I bet that people probably saw order flow or something like that as well. That's possible. I'm just thankful for tight stops. I don't really care what the market wants to do. It seems like it's freaking consolidating. I don't even trust this inversion anymore because we just took this high. And we're about to go into lunch hour. Yeah, I still have bullish outlook for this week. We are above these daily levels. We're above previous day high. ES is not above previous day high. There's a bunch of lagging going on there. So I don't really trust that this low is going to hold anymore. I think that we could end up, maybe that's the reversal. You know, ES stopped right before previous day high, ES higher high. We're definitely dropping pretty gnarly here. I'm not shifting bearish. I'm just saying that maybe I don't trust that this low is going to stay intact. Nothing. Just gotta go take a little walk. Hmm. Pretty ugly. Yes. NASDAQ also kind of ugly. So I mean, maybe it's gonna end up filling the gap. We have Trump speaking at 2. That could be interesting. But other than that, like, whatever. I gave it a try. Gave it a try on the bullish side. Maybe I was too bullish. I don't know. I think this wick definitely pissed me off. And whatever. Now we're already, how many points below this wick? There, 46 points below. So anyway, stay safe out there. It's a pretty gnarly day here in the indices, I'd say. Yeah, stay safe, and tomorrow's a new day. I'm not really that mad. ES is seek and destroy. Stop over trading, Tanya, someone says. Tanya, stop over trading. Stop over trading. What was it? I'm still within my limits because I took a break even on the second trade. So I'm like, okay with that. I'm not going to trade again now. That's what I'm trying to say. Stop over trading, Tanya. Stop over. I'm not over trading. I think that was a good call to get out there. And so far, it's a good call that this is, I think this is just sloppy right now. I'm going to be sloppy until Trump is going to speak. I don't know. NASDAQ, you let me down here. I thought you were going to spool all the way up to here. Kind of sad. I still made a little bit of money off of this break even, but lost whatever I made yesterday. Tomorrow's a new day. That's it. Just gotta take a little walk now and close my charts up. I mean, that was a gnarly day. Gnarly, gnarly, gnarly. I'll be back here tomorrow, you guys. An annoying day is not an annoying career. So, see you. Make sure lifestyle question is pick my brain. Do I want my partner to be a trader? It seems harder to date someone not a trader. Listen, there's only room for one crazy in the relationship, and that's me. So, I think, I don't know, do you really want to talk price action all day? Ciao, mommy. Ciao. What the heck? Don't call me mommy. It's crazy. Yeah, there's always tomorrow. I mean, I don't want to dig myself into a deeper hole. It's fine. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye.